That's all I know. I paid that poor kid to help me. I probably shouldn't have done that. You guys didn't hurt him, did you?
We scared him. He's easy to scare.
Well, he's just trying to look after his family, you know. I mean, it's just, some of us be struggling around here a little bit.
Oh yeah.
It's a parent.
We understand. Oh my God, we're awful.
But yeah, just make sure you let him know. I mean, I put up a good fight.
Absolutely.
I held him good, and you're not bringing him back, like, so we're good.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure Vasily probably works for that guy too. You can't let anybody know the burgomaster will have me in chains
We
in a
definitely
heartbeat.
have heard of them, and you know we're in the same circle, so don't worry.
Alright, I mean, you guys better run along then. I've had the doors locked for a few days
Sorry
now.
about your door. We'll be
I'll just bang it right back up. I don't want these guys getting out and no one getting in.
same.
Do you feel safe here with them?
No.
Okay.
I did my job. Hopefully everything will be okay.
Okay.
Calliope, I'm not following the story at this point. So is he playing the Birdmaster or Vasily?
He's playing the role of Henrik, who was holding on to the bones for
Excellent.
us. Yeah. We'll talk more when we go outside.
Yeah, just know you saved him, and you did a good thing. Good job.
This was a great scene. Very action-packed. Loved it. Great.
Loved it.
Are y'all
I'm leaving.
now?
Yeah.
Oh man, what a weird group.
Sure is.
You're doing great, Henrik. Keep it up.
Oh my God, I love
Have a day.
See you at the premiere.
Okay, folks, come on.
She's just like, okay.
I've got to get out of this business.
Oh my God. You're so cute.
Okay, check, where is my map? Where's my map?
Oh my God. I can't believe we escaped 6 vampires. But we know they're there now. It's a problem.
Yeah, so,
Calliope's the hero of that town.
For real, that was so smart. I don't know why.
Get rid of that.
Sometimes failing a check works out in your
So
favor.
you guys are at N6. You have acquired the bones of St. Andrew. There are a few more places in town you have not gone. I don't know what you guys are looking to do.
All right. I think we need to get these bones back. What? I didn't hear.
ASAP. It means as soon as possible.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm just saying. What, we have 2 more days till Strahd comes
That sounds about right.
back, right? 2 more days till Strahd comes back?
Well, you think.
Or wait, he said 3 days?
He said he
supposed
was
to
gonna-
call me in 3 days.
He was going to send the invitations in 3 days, is what he
Yeah, he
said.
said he was gonna call me in 3 days.
I don't even know how honest he is.
Yeah, I didn't insight check it. I was just like really excited.
We're gonna hand over the bag of bones to you and be like, hello.
I know, and I'm gonna be like,
So if you guys are going back to the church, which is all the way across town, you will be passing the inn again.
but it's not nighttime yet.
No, it's still, you guys were only there
For
for,
like 5 minutes.
yeah.
Just quick in and out.
Um,
Oh goodness, Ollie, I need to know. This is like a
as you're walking through town, make a perception check.
Are we heading to the church?
Are you?
I believe
We
so.
agreeing what we need to do now? I got 4.
18.
8 by 12.
23.
Okay, you 3 see Horacio walking through town with like some supplies. Looks like he's heading maybe back toward his car.
Where was the cart in relationship to the inn again?
It was
The inn's here. The cart is, well, it's not. It's across town, but The inn is in the middle, the church is on one side, and the shop is on the complete opposite.
Okay.
Yeah, he's just walking through with supplies, you guys can see
There's a
him.
bunch of stuff and that's how I found it.
He sees you. Ah.
Of course, I don't see
Hello.
it.
I'm like,
Yeah, he's just walking through with some supplies. But yeah, you guys keep going, holler at him. With your perception, you do see down this way, like toward the N7, N8, is like more like a town square area. You guys haven't been to yet, and it looked like the toy shop might be that direction. So,
So many missions.
well, you guys, I mean, you don't, but you do.
It's like,
depends on how you
do
look
we
at
play
it.
it
I
video
guess.
game style? We hit the missions on the way to the actual mission, or do we like go straight for the mission?
Right? Yeah. You guys
Do we
can
try to
do
like
that.
pick up what we can on the way?
yeah, I feel like we just. Well, that's the thing. Like, is it good or bad for us to have these boats on us right now?
Probably bad.
Yeah. So maybe we should just go get rid of the boats. Because, yeah,
I do want to stop Horatio, but
they're kind of big.
poor people.
Well, you could always stop and chat while we
And then
are on
run.
our way.
True.
Yeah, because I wait to Horatio,
Yeah,
so
it's a
you
high
would know she's
Horatio.
there.
Well, I'm going to stop and talk to Horatio if you guys want to move along, or if anybody wants to join me, that's fine. So I'm going to run over to Horatio.
Okay.
And
I'll stand back and kind of keep an eye. I won't go up to him with you. I'm just gonna hang out.
okay.
I'm not gonna miss a step and just keep walking.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow Fuchs to the
Okay.
church.
You run up and say hi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, hey, how are you guys? You guys finding Valaki okay?
He's backward. He's not.
I can still see him.
True.
He's got your back. He's a good one.
So far, it's been interesting. So I know I'm supposed to meet tonight.
Well, yeah, you guys. Yeah. Of course.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Telling stories.
Yeah.
Or you mean like right now? Right now, I'm gonna go help my friend out. You know, feed the monkey. No big deal.
I don't know if that's a euphemism.
No. I had a monkey, but I figured he would serve better over at the toy store. My little buddy Piccolo. I can't run around with a monkey everywhere, you know what I mean? He takes away from the stories.
Oh. Do you often go to the toy store?
Well, yeah, I mean, I head over there, I help him feed the monkey, and I venture a couple places in town. I've been there for a little while. You know, tell some stories.
You don't happen to have a cart, do you?
Of course. You've probably seen it over at the store yard.
It's a little interesting.
You didn't go by it, did you?
Maybe a little bit.
You went by it, you didn't open it, did you?
Like, open the whole thing?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, thank God.
It sounded a little.
Why were you over by my stuff? It's very dangerous over there.
Why do you just have dangerous stuff sitting around?
You don't be a good storyteller without finding good stuff.
Well, maybe it shouldn't just be in the middle of town.
It's not. It's at the store yard, and they're paid very well to watch it.
Well,
Why are you searching through people's stuff?
I didn't look through it. I looked by it. I thought maybe you were over by it. So I was like, oh, hi, Horatio. And then you weren't there. And there was something creepy. But I don't know what it is. What is it?
I don't know. What? You didn't open it, right?
No.
Okay, well then I don't know what you could have.
But if I did, what would I have found?
A large beast. I'm sure you heard it. You were right next to
What
it.
kind of beast?
It's a saber-toothed tiger.
Oh, that's cool. What are you doing with it?
I'm trying to teach it, but you're pretty hard-headed.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's a pretty good story, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
So, why is a Vistani doll driving your car?
That's not driving. That's how I'm training the saber-toothed tiger.
You're training it to eat Vistani or
Hopefully.
hang out? What?
Well, I mean, it's gotta eat somebody.
Why Vistani?
Fuck Vistani.
Why?
Fucking cute.
Oh, I mean, they're
I
not
can't
very
help
good
but
people.
notice you said
and-
fuck this honey. Am I right? Like,
Yeah, I mean, everybody here says it. You hear a little cry. Yeah, fuck them.
Oh my god.
The park right outside right outside of town. They work directly for Strahd. We've seen.
Alright, well, it just seems a little.
And I'm out on the
Fine.
road, and if I get attacked
Since,
by Vistani, that saber-tooth's not gonna
you
eat
trying
me.
to
It's gonna eat
steal it
them.
from us?
It seemed a little intense, I guess I would say.
What did?
Trying to have a saber-tooth tiger eat Vistani.
Like I said, if I'm out on the road and I get attacked, it's gonna eat them and not me.
Okay.
You can't just tell stories in Velaki. You gotta go to other towns.
Alright.
Your stories get old here. You gotta learn new ones. You can't get out of this fucking place.
I hear that.
I'm assuming you're not just from here then, too.
You met many half-elves?
No. Well, okay, I was just curious about your crazy beast, but we'll still meet tonight.
Just don't open it, okay? It's not
well,
trained.
now I know better. Now I know better.
Hey, there was a vampire issue in town. Would the rest of everybody know about that? I mean, besides Strahd, of course.
He's here?
No. Well, if there were other vampires.
You wanna come a little closer? What do you mean vampires?
Well,
Hypothetically.
hypothetically, we don't have evidence of, but we are thinking there might be some vampires here in town.
Make it a suction check. He's gonna insight it actually, so. Wait, what did you get?
An 8.
He rolled a 6. I don't know what his stats are. Okay, yeah, he definitely knows you're lying.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
He has quite the insight on him.
So, say there.
So, are they gonna be a problem?
Look,
We can tell that.
you think I'm lying about knowing that there's vampires here. We said we think. We don't know for sure that there are vampires.
Yeah. If you guys want to, you can get in good with the burgomaster and tell him he can storm the place and look all high and mighty. He really likes that. I mean, or after we meet up tonight, maybe we can see what y'all got. Are your two friends involved? I mean, I know they kept going, but
Well, I don't think they particularly like vampires, so that's interesting.
well, I guess we're all on the same page then.
You wouldn't have anything to help out with that kind of situation, would you?
You wouldn't know anything about how to help out with that situation, would you?
Persuasion check, either both of you or one with advantage.
What are you gonna do?
I have a terrible persuasion.
I have 2.
Oh no.
I have 0.
Okay, I'll do it with advantage then. 14.
I might have found a couple things on my journey, you know what I mean? If that's the path you want to take, I might be able to help us out. You guys
Well, we
make
can
sure you
talk
meet
about
me
it
tonight,
later.
and we will figure this all out. Because right here in the middle of town is not the place to find shit.
We have a date.
And I gotta go feed the monkey.
And I
Enjoy the
always-
monkey. Also,
Oh,
the
that's great.
saber-toothed cat.
Yeah, shush.
I'm not yelling out loud. I'm talking low. I had a little bit to drink last night, and I don't think I'm talking loudly. You would be willing to want to part ways with that thing, would you?
Oh no, I am not trying to be sitting as a child yet.
You've not trained this beast yet.
Oh,
I'll see y'all tonight.
I look forward to it.
You know, I'm kind of mad. I think you ruined the deal that I was making.
know how much Starbucks I have now?
I'm basically a millionaire here.
So you guys are approaching the church?
Yeah, let's wait for
Oh my
the
God,
door.
Yeah, no worries. So yeah, you guys do see him head toward the toy store, which would be the N7, I believe.
Oh, I need to go to the church or else. Because I didn't know what happens there else, so I'd be going to the toy store. I want to go to the toy store.
Toy Story.
The toy store is so cool. I have so many things to ask.
As you guys are starting to make your way toward the church, you do notice that there are seemingly, like you're not from here, but there seem to be kind of a few extra guards out right now.
You must be scared of the guards.
I think they know you're a thief.
Oh. I think they're worried about your big muscles. And you threatened them before.
I didn't really threaten anybody. My threats are more physical.